Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress locally on your machine, and from there you can design whatever site you want to design with WordPress or whatever blog you want to design locally before migrating it to a live site. So first of all, you have to come to this site wordpress.org/download and download the WordPress zip file. And after doing that, also you come to the site WAMP server. We are going to be using a server, which is the WAMP server, which is an Apache server. You can also use WAMP server. There are other server, but this is the one we're going to be using for this tutorial. Click on the downloads to download. I won't be downloading it here because I have done that. So once you download it, you want to what you want to do is uh, just a minute. You want to install it. So, and how did you do that? You go to, let me, hold on just a minute, let me open the download file and show you how to install it step by step. So you have here the download file. This is one. You click on it. Once it opens, just follow the prompt. But there's something you need to take note of, which is the directory you are installing it to. Just accept and press next, next. You have to take note of this directory. I'm not going to be installing it because I've already installed it, and I installed it on a different folder. You're going to be seeing that soon. So I'm not going to just follow the prompt and take note of that folder. So I won't be doing that here. I'll be canceling out the installation. Wow. Uh, Let me open the installation folder here. So I have it installed here. This one XAMPP2 folder. So this is it. Then inside your htdoc, this is your htdoc folder. This is where the WordPress zip file that you downloaded, you place it and extract it. Once you extract it, you have this folder. So you can then copy out the content of this WordPress to this htdoc folder. So while it copies, uh, I want you to know how you can start the server also. Just go and search for your WAMP server. You click on it. So I'm not going to be clicking on it. This is it here already. Then you click on start here to start the server. Now we have stopped because it's already started. So it will start on this port. This is my port now. And this is the active port for the MySQL. So after that, you can now go to the admin by clicking on the admin. It will take you to the admin section. Just click on localhost 8080/dashboard. It should bring you here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to create the database you'll be using. So I'm going to click on this PHP my admin. So you click on new to create a new database. I will just call our site style blog. Style blog. Click on create. So once you've done that, go back to the folder, to the htdoc folder. This is the WordPress we extracted and pulled out. So what you're going to do next is we are going to rename the folder style blog, and then after that you're just going to just leave it there and go back to your uh, local host. Change the PHP admin here after your colon 8080. Change it uh, to the name that you named the file, which is style blog. Click on enter. You will see it should take you to the site. So now we're just going to fill in this database style blog. Username is root. That is the default username for PHP. Password will leave that in database rows. Click on submit. Then run the installation. Then it will ask you for the site title, which is the style blog. Username gesture. You can use this also admin123. Confirm the use of password. Then you will fill your email here. So I'm just going to use any email at email.com, and then you click on install. So this will perform the magic. Now we have our website installed and we can log in to the backend. This is the backend. You can also visit the site. So that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.